look inside. Is it me or is it them? Well, never mind. I wish I had the courage to admit that I missed your time. I'm speaking from the spine. I'm sorry that I couldn't commit to what it takes to change your mind. And that's a crime. But you don't have to tell your boyfriend. Yeah, we have to ride and smash again. This is it, money. This is it, money. Bitch, I ain't hanging out the side, I got a driver. A bunch of little niggas that call me Sire. If you looking for a job, bitch, I can hire you. You could be the slapper. I love that like this. I'ma lick you up and down, yeah, head to toe. I'ma hit it one speed, yeah, slow-mo. I'ma always come late, never no show. I heard them big head, where we go. Yeah, you know a nigga never been this pro. Suck your tits, slow stroke. You gon' suck my dick, slow stroke. And I'ma make it quick, slow stroke. And you gon' ride my dick, yeah, I don't need no nanny, babe. I'm trying to maintain my player ways, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make it to the player circle, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. You know what I'm saying, man? But I got soft touch, and you got nice bud. But girl, you talk too much, we should just fuck, but no rush, man. I'm climbing that mountain, yeah. Take a picture of that fountain, yeah. You fuck so much, I stop counting. You know what I'm saying, man? But I got soft touch. And you got nice bud, but girl, you talk too much, you should just fuck, but no rush, man. I'm climbing that mountain, yeah. Take a picture of that fountain, yeah. You fuck so much, I stop counting. I know I'm famous, but I got soft touch, and you got nice bud. But girl, you talk too much, we should just fuck, but no rush, I'm climbing that mountain, yeah. Take a picture of your fountain, yeah. We fuck so much, we got some options. Let me keep it poppin', no stop. See my shit, no shop, it's the trap, no flopping. See it shine, just to feel like David Blaine. This girl, no name, it's all the same, yeah. You leaking, you don't have to say it, you on top of me and you freaking. You don't have to say it, you on top of me for the weekend. Let's jump in the deep end, my name is Tom cause I'm peeping. In that mind where you keep it, your dirty thoughts that be cleaning. You make that baby before you screaming, girl, I know every meaning. You bite your lips when you fall asleep, I know what you dreaming. It must be hard to sleep easy, cause I know that you feeling. Send that text every evening, emoji face so you steaming. Girl, it must be the demon, girl, it must be the semen. They got you hooked, line and sinking, slurping, drowning and drinking. If you're smart, you be geeking, on that dick you be tweaking. I slap your butt, you start leaking. Now I know what you're thinking. Disbelief when I stick it in, you barely stop blinking. Take that pussy for a long drive, drinking and thinking. Yeah, you know, a nigga do got a little bit of fucking power. I be hitting them positions you be thinking before you be thinking, you know what I'm saying? I got a few new positions I know you ain't thought of yet, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Listen, I know you wanna try it, you don't have to hide it. You always ask how I know. Bitch, I'm psychic, you don't have to type it. I'ma write it before you write it, yeah. Girl, you ain't gotta fight it. And I'm never selfish. When we fuck, we be sweating like Elvis and the Harley Tellers. Girl, I went so hard, I think I fucked up my pelvis. Now you on top, got a nigga feeling helpless. Yeah, I love it when we make strange faces. But girl, I'm on a mission, you should trust places. And girl, this America, I'm not a sprint, long races. I see sparks in the kids, no faces. The mother bitches try to kiss it, no faces. Tell them other bitches shoes, no ladies. She got a nice little booty, that's a cupcake. She got a soft little booty, yeah. you like a gorilla instead. That pussy spicy, I'ma need some ice before I take it to the head. Come right to D in the car, we can take the car to the D. I'm looking for a cat dog, bitch, gotta be paid. Fucking with me, the night is always young like Miami. I thought you ain't gotta tell your boyfriend. Stop the fight, your boyfriend. You have to you don't have to tell your boyfriend. Oh no, stop the fight, your boyfriend. You ain't gotta pretend, yeah. He don't do it like me, he don't make you feel free. He don't let you explore your sexuality. Tell it how it really be. He don't fuck you tactically. What you gotta do, fuck you, close your eyes so all you see is me. I'ma keep it on the G. I'ma fuck you like a G. Place you where you need to be and knock that pussy off the T. Did I jog your memory? I know I jog your memory. When he asks you how you feel, it's hard to take me seriously. Cause when we used to do it, there wasn't nothing to it. Spark your blunt, slap your butt until you bite through it. I'm the puppeteer, sex instructor. She feel a spark the way a real nigga conductor. Yeah. We have the right to smash again. You ain't gotta tell your boyfriend. Oh no, stop the lies, cause we more than friends. You ain't gotta pretend. We have the right to smash again. You ain't gotta tell your boyfriend. Oh no, stop the lies, cause we more than friends. You ain't gotta pretend. He don't have imagination, he can't go past regulation. I see you married, but you having reservations. Praying that the dick is always waiting, just waiting on your first revelation. Here's a small temptation, think back to that first sensation that made you say, leave it in, it's time for creation. A big smile, elation, left you higher than inflation. When the last time you got to really let out all your frustration, climb on top of me and start melting. Come for his elevation, he got you living in probation. I know you miss our sex rotation, just in the location, yeah. We have the right to smash again. You ain't gotta tell your boyfriend. Oh no, stop the lies, cause we more than friends. You ain't gotta pretend, yeah. We have the right to smash again. You ain't gotta tell your boyfriend. Oh no, stop the lies, cause we more than friends. You ain't gotta pretend, yeah. You should let us know. Yeah, nigga ain't never been a scrub. I mean, except when I hate you with that remedy. Yeah. I'm aggressive when I fuck, I need a freaky hoe. If my grip too strong, I can let it go. And if I'm pounding too hard, you should let me know. And if your pipe's about to burst, you should let it blow. It's scrub time, bust a couple subs time. Get you cleaner than a tub time. I scrubbed a few times, back and forth like a timeline. Blow your mind time, doing shit your zodiac couldn't predict. Get a new sign. Cause you was riding there. Trying to ride together. They were trying to ride it out together. I'ma lick you up and down, yeah, head to toe. I'ma hit it one speed, yeah, slow-mo. I'ma always come late, never no show. I heard you give big head, large ego. Yeah, you know a nigga ain't never been a scrub, so bring that ass over here, let me hit you with this motherfucker. Slow stroke. I'ma suck your tits. Slow stroke. And you gon' suck my dick. Slow stroke. And I'ma lick your clit. Slow stroke. And you gon' ride my dick. I'ma hit you with that golden touch, Midas. We can fucking silence. I know how to hit it quiet and keep it quiet, but that pussy make me want to riot. I need the full course, not this intermittent diet. Another noise complaint at the highest. We don't be saying much, but the way you moan, it be sounding kind of violent. Yeah, it be sounding kind of violent. Alright, we already did that. A buttload of hoes. You know, you didn't tell the whole motherfucking world what I did to you. I mean, I ain't mad, that's free promotion. You know what I'm saying? Let's talk about my day, baby. When I fuck, I drive you crazy. You can lay down and be lazy. I'm the go like Tom Brady. I'm the crazy. Yeah. Girl, you ain't gotta act so shady. Yeah. Like a sweet sex, you looking at a big chest. You want that dinosaur, yeah, that T-Rex. I killed the pussy looking at the main suspect. They tried me with rough sex, they dropped the charge, but she took me back like I came with the defect. But I must protest, she always be my better mess. She said she was digmatized. Y'all heard that? She said she was digmatized. That's what she telling her friends my dick is her. I mean, let's talk about my dick, baby. When I fuck, I drive you crazy. You can lay down and be lazy. I'm the goat like Tom Brady. I'm a drain them tips and yeah. Girl, you ain't gotta act so shady. Just hit my fuck line. 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 She on my fuck line. I don't eat seafood, so if it's tough, you can get no seafood. So pepper up there, so I hug you and keep that pussy wet like hurricane. Yeah. Put that pussy wet like hurricane. Yeah. It's all the same. No name. Yeah. No name. Yeah. No name. Yeah. Don't need a name. Don't need a name. No name, bro. Don't need no name. Yeah. Don't need a name. You say you remember no name. Don't need a name. Yeah. Don't need a name. Yeah. Don't need a name. I don't need a name. Shorty, like, she asked me, like, what position you think I'm thinking? I'm like, bitch, you think I'm psychic?
Man, be nosy. Roll the nigga back up there.
But yeah, I know what you think.
Get your ass cut.
And I know what you like. You want me to tell you? Listen.
Look at face, look at the nose. Proper way for this shit.
You don't have to say it, you on top of me and you licking. You don't have to say it, you on top of me and you freaking. You don't have to say it, you on top of me for the weekend. Let's jump in the deep end. My name is Tom cause I'm peeping. And then mind when you keep it, your dirty thoughts that need clean. You make that face before you feel me, girl, I know every meaning. You got your lip when you fall asleep, I know what you dreaming. It must be hard to easy because I know that
Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
every evening. And what you
Oh, yeah. Let me go with it. There goes the devil, nigga. I'm cool with it.
He wants a fat one.
I'm about to. But even the fat look kinda good, nigga. Look kinda succulent in there, nigga. Got you, yeah. I'm cutting you some nice pieces off here for you. You the daddy might have some of those too.
A nigga do got a little bit of psychic powers, you know what I'm saying? I be getting in positions you be thinking. Before you be thinking, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's a steak right there, baby.
I got a few positions I know you ain't thought of like that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Listen, I know you wanna try it, you don't have to hide it. You always ask how I know. Bitch, I'm psychic, you don't have to type it. I'm a
Man, he about to be getting some good pieces.
Girl, you ain't gotta
Got you,
fight
buddy.
it. Yeah, you ain't gotta fight it. I'm
Got
hit
you.
you with that golden touch. Midas, we can fucking silence. I know how to hit it quiet and keep it quiet. But that pussy make me want to riot. I need the full course, not this intermittent diet. Another noise complaint at the Hyatt. We don't be saying much, but the way you moan, it be sounding kinda violent. Yeah, it be sounding kinda violent. Swimming in your ocean, make it move when I try it. Yeah, and when I make it splash.
Yeah, we're
Inside, let me get a little bit of season too. motherfucking tea, bro. Perfect.